Hey, what is up guys? Josh here of YugaTech, and with the launch of the latest Galaxy A52 and A52 5G, Samsung also unveiled a third member for their mid-range lineup, the Galaxy A72. It's slightly bigger in size, has a larger battery capacity, and comes with extra camera tricks up its sleeve. Now we're going to be checking this out, give it a quick look, and see some first impressions. So without further delay, let's get right into it. Now what we like about this phone off the bat is how it looks very eye-catching, but at the same time still keeps a very subtle design. The rear panel features what Samsung calls a matte haze finish and is quite a nice texture to brush your fingers on. And because of that, it also keeps clean from fingerprints and smudges, which keeps the device looking fresh. Speaking of fresh, we're getting 4 color variants for this one. Awesome white, awesome black, awesome blue, and awesome violet that we're kind of liking a lot. Of course, the highlight here would also be the camera module, along with the LED flash that's located on the top left side. It has these nice tapered edges to give it a softer look, and the camera bump is also nice and shallow. The frame has shiny metallic band accents and complements the neutral colorways of the device. If you look at the right side, we have your power/sleep button, along with your volume rocker keys right above. It comes in the same metallic finish, while on the left side is nice and flush with nothing in this area. At the top, here's where you'll find the SIM tray slot and secondary microphone, while over at the bottom is your Type-C charging port, primary microphone, your loudspeaker, and thankfully we still get a 3.5mm audio jack on board. The Galaxy A52 is also IP67 rated, so it does have water and dust resistance capabilities. Although not completely waterproof, this means that it can handle being submerged up to 1 meter for 30 minutes, so it's safe to say that you can take this one to the shower with you. The front panel sports a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Infinity O Super AMOLED display, coupled with Corning Gorilla Glass for protection. And unlike its predecessor, the Galaxy A71, this time we're getting a refresh rate of 90Hz. Apart from a smoother experience, it also has automatic refresh rate optimization to minimize battery consumption. The screen can also go up to a total brightness of a surprising 800 nits, something that's mostly seen in flagship devices. It has some relatively thin bezels, with the bottom being thicker by just a slight amount. The front camera has a punch hole design right in the middle, and up top is where the speaker earpiece can be found. For cameras, we're getting a quad setup at the rear, specifically a 12-megapixel ultrawide, a 64-megapixel main, an 8-megapixel telephoto lens, and the smallest one being the 5-megapixel macro shooter right above the LED flash, while at the front you can find the 32-megapixel selfie shooter. The main camera also comes with optical image stabilization built in, while the telephoto lens features 3 times optical zoom with up to 30 times digital zoom. Video recording is capable of a 4K resolution format and can snap high-quality 8-megapixel photos at the same time. There are also 30 scene optimizers that automatically change according to what you're shooting for the best result. We can't wait to get some sample shots on this device, so stay tuned for a full review. Running the software department is Android 11, skinned with Samsung's latest One UI 3.0. It's got a more minimal and refreshed design and gives a more holistic experience across the whole Samsung Galaxy ecosystem. So if you have something like the Galaxy earbuds, or maybe even a Galaxy smartwatch, you're going to want to complement that with something like this phone. Powering the Samsung Galaxy A72 is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G with an Adreno 618 GPU. It also packs in 8GB of RAM and has an internal storage capacity up to a sizable 256 gigs, while the expandable microSD card slot is capable of handling up to 1TB of external storage. When it comes to battery, we have a capacity of 5000 mAh. It also uses Samsung's adaptive power saving, which helps manage your battery consumption throughout the day. Now we can't wait to check out how it fares in our standard video loop test, so stay tuned for our full review. The Samsung Galaxy A72 is already setting itself to be a good option for those looking to get a new mid-range phone with a large screen. The Samsung Galaxy A72 is priced at 23,990 pesos and is already setting itself to be a good option for those looking into a new mid-range phone with a large screen. But what do you guys think? Let us know in the comment section down below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Josh, stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one.